Kakapo, a distinctive large-beaked bird, amazes with its unique features, apart from its large and curved beak. Its most striking uniqueness lies in its inability to fly, active at night. The kakapo has a delayed reproductive cycle, only breeding once every few years. Their strikingly colored feathers and unique appearance make them special. However, unfortunately, the charm of kakapo is slowly fading because their population is threatened with extinction. The continued existence of this large-beaked bird requires serious protection and conservation efforts.